Sun set ready for racing. And they're open Negasi looking for the lead. Running by Royal Patero Saban. Here comes Chrissy Skip. Panahon na. Moving up now to take fourth down in feet. Victory Joe alongside Lord of the Sun. Running by Royal is Mount Panama. Then followed by Azi Kuda. Next on line now. Century number 5, B. Babola around the outside. Dugu Sprite. While Mapagtiis is running in a tail of the field. Into the back they travel. Negasi takes command. Patero Saban. Panahon na. Moving up now. Down the half mile they travel. Negasi. Panahon na. Victory Joe now running in third. Patero Saban running in fourth. Chrissy Skip. Lord of the Sun. Mount Panama. Inside the last 600. Negasi still in front. Panahon na. Victory Joe na the outside. But still Negasi leading Malang, followed now by Victory Joe. Inside the last 300. Negasi still leading the pack. And Victory Joe remains in second. Panahon na remains in third. Chrissy Skip towards the final turn. It is still Negasi leading by some 3 lengths over Victory Joe. But this one, Negasi racing now to about 4. And finally is Negasi. Victory Joe, Chrissy Skip, Biba Bola, Panahon na. Close, Lord of the Sun, Mount Panama.
Gamado na nga siya.